To connect printer with POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate into more connectivity options and then look for a printing. After entering printing, you need to make sure that system printing service is on, and after clicking on it again, you will see this option right here, which it consistently searches for printers that are able to connect. So now it's the time to enter pairing mode on your printer. So depending on the brand, you will need to research online how to enter pairing mode, and after that your printer should show up on the list when it's in that pairing mode. If you don't see it there, then you might need to click on Add Services and then add service or plugin from the printer brand that you own. For example, if you have the printer from Lexmark, you can then download this plugin right here, and after installing it, you'll be able to find your printer inside. So let's just install it real quick. And here we have the Lexmark. Again, click on it and then it will search for that printer. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.